Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we will be replacing the battery for our car key remote on this 2010 Mazda 3. Now the battery that we need is a CR1620. In addition, we're going to need some precision tools like this one and some pick tools to complete the process. Now, I have my spare shell here, and just for reference, I'm just going to show you that this is the locking tab that we need to press on to separate the key blade from the bottom remote. So let's do that with this remote that we have. So open the key blade, put it sideways, and I don't know if you can see it well, but we're going to have the locking tab pressed on with our pick tool. Once it's pressed on, the key blade should separate from the bottom remote. There you go. Now with it separated, use your pick tool to separate the top from the bottom. There are two tabs here that is holding it in place, so separate this by using this portion as a lever to raise up the top of the remote. Now once that raises up, the locking tab in here would have separated or would have released this ones. With those separated, carefully remove the top. Then take out the circuit board along with the buttons. Now use your pick tool again to remove the battery, and be sure that you remember the orientation of your battery. There's your old battery. Now let's open the new battery. Put the new battery in with the same orientation you removed the old one. There you go. Now put the circuit board on the bottom part of the remote. Make sure it sits in place. Then put the top shell remote. Make sure that you align the bottoms first. There you go. Then lock in the tabs again on top. Now test it. I don't know if you can see it, but the LED is lighting up now. Don't think you can see it. Alright, I just want to add this clip without the casing on top, and when you press the button, you can clearly see that the LED light is lighting up. It's just hard to see with the top layer on. There you go. Alright, let's continue. Anyway, it is lighting up. Now put back the top portion with the key blade on the bottom remote. And that is how to replace the battery on this remote for our 2010 Mazda 3. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching.